Hey there. Um, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's League Services. I was doing some research in our area. I work out of Abington and I came across your company and I thought I'd shoot you the screencast video. Just going over a couple things about your website, showing you how to get some more traffic, get some more reviews, get up there on Google. Feel free to implement anything on your own. And if you'd like to learn more about how I can assist your company in any way, please reach out via phone, email, or text. My door is always open. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to talk about keywords and content, and then citations, and then backlinks. I'm going to start here on your home page, your front page. I have a great image here, nice logo, and everything here is clickable, so that looks good. And then some phone numbers to call, and call to actions, click to calls, order online. So I put about 1,500 words of content on the front page. It helps Google understand what you want to be found for and what services you want to be found for and where. So like tying in things like, landscaping, Bucks County. Those are keywords. I put about 10 of those on the front page. Again, just to make sure that Google understands you want to be found for those keywords. That helps you appear in searches. So about 1,500 words and 10 keywords on the front page. I'm going to talk about the map pack here and citations. So I did a search for lawn services in southeastern PA. I think that's where you said you work out of, but it looks like you're county specific as well. So I could have searched other things. But you want to pop up here in the map pack. This is going to give you a lot of visibility. And people who are searching in mobile are just going to see your number and call it, or click on your website. But either way, you're getting a lot of visibility very early on in the page. So it's a good spot to be. In order to get there, you got to go through a little process, and you want to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's, and Yellow Pages. So the more you have, the more Google trusts you. You just got to keep up with them monthly and make sure that you're staying ahead of the game. So in addition to being there in the map pack, you want to be underneath the map pack in the top spot organically. And that is this company here. If you're going to be top spot organically and in the map pack, you're going to get on average about 80% of the people that come to this page that are searching for this word. In order to get here, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about lawn care and someone posts to your website. That's the backlink. And the blog is the referring domain. So here's a tool I have called Ahrefs. Put your website in. These are your backlinks and referring domains. These definitely want to be high quality because Google will reward you for very high quality domains. And you want to check them monthly too because they can break the link sometimes. They don't work. These are the keywords you're being found for and the traffic you're generating, which could be a little more than 0. Errors can be off for sure. I'm going to click into your keywords and I'm just going to show you one other lawn servicing company, and which is where they're at, with their keywords and their traffic and their backlinks and referring domains and their power and their trust. So they're a little higher on Google. I'm going to pop into their keywords. I hope these load just in case that it's hard to find some. Let me just pause this while this loads. So here are some of the keywords that you are being found for. Here's one, snow removal services, Philadelphia. It has 50 search volume. Its difficulty level is 2, which is low. This goes all the way up to 100. And you're in spot 67. Lawn care Ambler, 40 searches, 0, which means it's easy to rank for in terms of money and time. Doesn't look like you're there anymore. And you can kind of see the rest here. So if you were interested in, getting up there, I'd love to have a conversation with you that can, see where your business goals are and see if, we're a good fit. I think I said I was going to pop into Terrelons as well. Okay, so they did pop up. I'll just show you some of those. So like, we have a lot of Lawn Care, Abington, PA. 40 searches, they're in spot 3. So just to give you a little bit of an idea of how different it can be. Again, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. My door is always open. Reach out via phone, email, or text. I work within budgets, and again, would love to help local businesses. And if the timing's not right, that's fine too. Have a good one. Bye.